right, good morning guys. We are out here first time this spring to be out magnet fishing. It's still a little bit chilly out. It's probably right around 38 degrees. We got some newbies with us today. We have some friends of ours. We have Tony. Tony's over here on the dock. Tony. And we have Sarah. If you remember, these two went with us when we went sledding that one day. And then we have Miss Rusty.
Hey, I'm already working with a broken glove.
The dog got to. And then our newest addition today is this one, which is hiding. Little Miss Rusty. You guys see me throw up your magnet real quick?
Huh?
She is going to be using the Centurion 550 today. And Jen and I are going to be using... We're going to be using, I'm running down the dock, the Beast. If you guys are interested in any of the magnets that we're using, there will be a link down in the description. Were you trying to take me into the water already?
No, I'm trying to have you move off my rope so I can get going.
I'm sorry. First throw. And now I'm gonna get my magnet on and my GoPro on, and we're gonna get down to it. All right, guys. First toss of the day. We're gonna get on out here and see what we can find. Tony's gonna be using our 2,600 pound double-sided magnet. And he got his feet tangled up. So my first find of today looks like part of a beer can and some magnetic rocks. So I'm just gonna dip along this area along here. And see what we can find along here. Did ya? Oh. Got something actually pretty big right here. And this is all woods, so I don't know what we got going on here.
What?
Hold on.
Is that a magnet pole right there?
Huh? Yeah, you'll find a lot of those.
I don't know. See if you can grab it.
What in the world? Sarah, you want to feel what it feels like when you're on something? Oh. What is that? It's heavy. I can see it.
Nice.
Chair. Yep. I got it. First chair of the day. Well, today's first find, fishing chair. Got some rebarb. Got some rebarb, you guys. So Tony found a big old nose ring. Is that what that is, Tony? A nose ring? Brahma bull. So Tony's using our 2,600 pound, I think, double-sided magnet for the first time. Wanted to get him out sometime, and him and his soon-to-be wife. Yep. All right, guys, we were just down there, and we came up to this pier now. We're gonna try the pier. She found her first bolt here, which is probably from the bridge that used to be here.
Oh, man.
We get the bolt off the magnet. So I got a whole bunch of stuff going on here. It looks like a retaining, some sort of clip, something, I don't know. Nails. You got something? Oh, you do? Okay. And it looks like a leaf. He's got a leaf. He's got a magnetic leaf. 2 nails.
Magnet fisherman now.
Now that I got a leaf.
That you caught the leaf.
So what kind of...
He's got a bolt. He's got a little bolt.
Don't judge me.
Why was Jenny's boat bigger than yours?
This looks like
Because mine's been in the water a little longer.
in the cold.
It's got something on there though. Just can't tell what it is.
Yeah, old bolt, bottle cap bolt, old bottle cap.
Yeah, I can't finish talking.
A shout out. Want to give Motor City Magnet Fishers, Brockton Magnet Fisher, Squash, Wisco Magnetics. Let's go with Magnet Mama, Waller Adventures, and Rustic Treasures. Give you guys all some shout out and some love. And put you on the spot. Is there any magnet fishing fishers you want to give a shout out to? I already did my shout out. You want to give anybody some love?
No, probably all the same people you did. Because there are groups.
I gave some other people from the Rogue family, like Magnet Mama, Waller Adventures, NB Adventures, Jason from Motor City Magnets, Snorkel Pirate. I want to give you guys all some shout out to this in here.
Yasin.
Yasin, yes, Little Miss Rusty. I didn't say crusty either this time. What do you got?
I don't know, but you're gonna mess it up, so why don't you stand back until I get it.
How about I record it?
Quietly. Don't touch my rope.
Sorry. I was just gonna grab it for you.
I don't need you to touch nothing.
Alright, what do you got?
No.
Like a hook. Some sort of hook?
No, it's not a hook.
What's this
It's got
type
a
of angle?
washer and something on it.
Nice. If you guys know what this is, comment down below. I know that there used to be an old bridge that went through here, so there's a good possibility of something from the bridge. Alright, so Yasin's magnet was not able to get whatever she found, so I'm gonna have her come over here and give me a hand. Oh, pulling this thing because I got it. Ready? It's heavy.
You got it picked up?
Yeah. Oh, hey Jen, I need the claw. So Tony, when I was down helping Little Miss Rusty, had found this piece of a bracket for the bridge. What did I got here? Is this a knife? Dude, I got a buck knife. I got a knife. So check that knife out, you guys. See if you can see a little better on there. Look at the size of that thing. Now that's a knife. If you know what movie that's from, you know. So I was just messing around with the knife. Still open. Oh, it's broke, but yeah, it's broke. But yeah, check that out though. Stabby stab stab.
Like that?
Hold up. You got fishing line, you got some lures. Be careful, there's gonna be some hooks on there. There's gonna be hooks tied to that. Sure. What you just pulled up.
A nail.
Put it down like this, and then hold it like this and show them. There you go. She found herself a
Oh yeah,
big
gotta
nail.
shout out to these gloves, you know. I don't know their
It's
name,
Centurion. It's Centurion Magnetics. The gloves that come with the 550 series.
but- and the magnet. Yeah.
Oh, you know what those are for?
That's stretchy.
Yep. She found a catfishing bell. That's what they put on the pole, and when the pole starts to move with the
Oh, it still
catfish,
jiggles.
found a catfishing bell. Nice. So this big, huge chunk of ice right here is coming this way. So we might have to switch to this side, or might have to check along down here. So I got a big old plate of steel right here, big old piece of steel. Oh, you got an anchor. Jen's got an anchor.
What the heck?
Hold it up.
Hold it up. I was trying to lift it up, but thing's heavy.
So Jen has a boat anchor. Grab on. Here, let me grab on that bitch.
We're almost there, huh?
Woo, that's heavy. What in the actual heck?
Oh my god, it's so big.
Dude! No!
Don't drop it.
I need some help.
You need my magnet or my pulling?
You're pulling.
What is it?
It's, you'll see.
Oh, dang, that's huge! Dang! That's so big!
Hold on. You know what? It's concrete and rebarb.
Really?
Yeah. We're gonna let it down.
Wait, just look at it though. Put the camera.
Hold on. So, Tony hooked on. This thing's really heavy.
I got it with my foot. I got it with my foot. You're gonna lose your foot. No, I'm not.
Cool. Nice. We're gonna let that down. So, I got my weapon of choice here. My, oh! Hey, Jen. What?
A cowbell. What is this?
It's a big washer. Hey, here's another bell.
Mine's better anyways.
So, I don't know what I found here, but it's quite interesting. So I got a big old plate of steel. There you go. Rebarb. Come here, Austin. Yeah, come here.
Whoa!
Come
Yeah, mystery magnet. Duh. That's what I've been stuck on this whole time.
Whoa!
What is it? Oh, that's what I've been stuck on the whole time.
Grab my, hold on, hold it right there, Yasin. Jen, you need it. Yeah, I'm grabbing my magnet. Hold on.
It's slipping.
All right.
Whew. I'm just starting to
Tony, want to give me a hand? I need your help. I got an I-beam.
Run for it. Run.
Stop.
Run
Is he?
in the middle.
Did you see he's clumsy?
He's a little use the lighter.
My pocket.
That's humongous. That's what I've been stuck on this entire time, Baxter.
Yep. There's one, yep. Oh, nice. Oh. Whew. Yasin's stand next to it. So Yasin's about 5'5".
No, I'm not. I'm 5'3".
Okay, 5'3", my bad. So this is about as tall as her.
Does it
He
feel
just
right?
found a needle nose pliers.
I know what to get this expanded.
Check that out. Big old bracket. So Jen just found something here that looks to be like, it's got threads on it. Nice. Perfect. Right here. What the heck do I got going on here? Whoopsies. Whoa. Dude, she just got. Hold on. Oh my gosh, Jen. Jen with another gun today. What a find. Jen, awesome find. So since there's a serial number on this gun, we decided that we are going to call the police department. Sarah's on the phone with them right now, just because it does have a serial number still on it.
Sarah?
It is a 357 Smith & Wesson.
920-579.
Yeah, this is in pretty new shape actually. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. What an exciting day for the first time magnet fishing this year in spring. Jen found that 357. Got to take out Tony today for the first time. He's still over here dipping around.
Yep.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Did you?
A piece of rebar.
Nice. With that being said though, make sure you guys check out our videos. We try to post a video every weekend for you guys. I'm telling you, I love doing this. This is a lot of fun, not just to find the stuff that we find, but actually to clean out this stuff that we've been finding, to make the waterways cleaner, because everybody knows what's going on. But with that being said though, make sure you guys don't forget to like our videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also make sure Yassine, Little Miss Rusty, is going to be starting up her own channel here in the meantime. Make sure you guys go over and check her channel out. I'm gonna be helping her get set up. Like I said, today's a good day. It's cold, very cold now. Now that we're wet, yeah, it's a little cold, but I had a great time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time.